guys, today we're going to do a mini video, and for all you fans who like Minnie Mouse, watch this video now. Okay, so I'm going to show you my beautiful dance without these pretty shoes. Let me show you what they do. They light up, see?
Pretty.
And let me do my dance. Get the shoes off. Because as you can tell, we can't dance with these or else we will fall. Okay, let me do my beautiful dance.
Very nice.
I'm going to show you my baby doll. Little Rosie. Her name's Rosie, and she got a little wand. This is Rosie. Hey!
Yeah.
And then she likes to play something. What do you like to play? Cookie game. Don't let me play cookie game. Yes, cookie game. I got my present. Cookie game. So she's gonna play a cookie game. And let me show you what this set comes with. Comes with. Take this for me. Yes. It comes with this phone. And it comes with a baby light.
Is that a real phone?
No, it's a toy.
Well, who do you call on that phone?
My invisible friends. That's a bottle.
What are your invisible friends' names?
Brittany and Alvin. Then there's real wipes in here.
Oh, you like to change poopy diapers?
Mm-hmm. Only some stuff. And it comes with a little toy.
Cute.
It also comes with sunscreen.
Oh, that's important, huh?
Uh-huh.
Don't want a sunburn.
And guess what comes with?
What?
It's very good. A washable diaper. You know all diapers you can't wash. This one you can.
Oh, that's awesome.
Uh-huh. And it's gonna be awesome.
Should we go
a
see?
changing pad.
Oh, yeah.
I never have to use tails again to be baby alive. Now I can just.
Okay, should we see if your brother's awake?
Yes. You look cute. That's funny. Right.
Secrets in the music.
Still sleeping. Night-night, Carter.